What's up guys, your boy BG here. So I'm here at Avon's doing a little shopping, and I was not expecting to see this. Check this out. Looks like I just got some Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna go through the pegs really quick, and then I'm gonna dig on that dump bin over there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start over here, and wish me luck. It's a bunch of old castings, but you know, it's all good. You never know guys. You never know. Let's see. Yeah, nothing. This is a very old casting, man. This is like from 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this casting is very old. Here's this one. I already have it. The AMC Rebel machine. It's so cool, but I already have it. Don't need any more. Here's this one right here. This is supposed to be the super treasure hunt of this case. The 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Alright guys, so nothing here. So now, let's take a look over here. Hopefully we get lucky guys. So right off the bat, we see this cool 49 Ford F1. Love that truck, man. Super or not, it's still a very awesome casting. 67 Camaro, 2019 Audi R8 Spider, regular, pixel shaker. Here's a Toyota. Here's another 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and the 70s van with the Space Jam theme. Okay, let's see. Here we have the Mad Manga and the Forward Force. Here we have the Eruption and another Mad Manga. Ooh, nice. 98 Subaru Impreza. Definitely gonna take this one. This is a very nice casting. And here's a Devancinator. I don't remember seeing this one. RV there yet. Zambot. Here's the Robo Race Robo Car. By the way, this is a real car, guys. So, don't care for it, but I'm just letting you know. These Erkenstein rod is pretty cool, but I already picked up a couple of them. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I picked them up. Here's a cool La Troca. Pretty cool. Here's a cool Porsche 914 Safari. Here's a Matte Splash. Here's a 2017 Ford GT. Toyota Land Cruiser. Here's another AMC Rebel machine. Cool. Here's a Dodge van. This is a real Asada. Check that out. Those are his initials right there. And it's got the Mopar decals, and it's got the Moon Eyes as well. Probably take one. Here's the Ain't Fair and the Eruptor. Here's a 52 Chevy with the rusted flames. Let's see. Here's another Matte Splash and the head gasket. Here's a 2015 Dodge Charger Srt. Alright, clip rod, 69 Chevelle. And here's an Iron Motors Thresher, the Rocking Santa. Alright, Forward Force, and the Hollinator. Here's a Pixel Shaker. Here's an Aston Martin 177. It's a cool casting. I don't like the color, and I don't like the decals. So, gonna pass on that one. Here's another Zombot. Try to go a little faster guys, because I see some people coming in. So if I don't say much, I apologize, but this one's cool. We have it. Ooh, check this one out, guys. This is an error. Missing tampos. The card's a little busted, but definitely gonna pick this one up. Error castings are also fun to collect, guys. Nice. And a lot of these cars are already damaged, guys, so I'll do my best to not damage them. Some of them are missing. Check that out. Wow. Unbelievable. I don't know why people get into this hobby if they can't afford it, man. They just make us honest collectors look bad. So, '21 Bronco. Nice. Check this out, guys. Looks like this is another error. Huh. Very cool. This one comes in a very good card. So I think I'm gonna leave this one. I could be wrong, but I don't remember seeing it without the side tampos. You guys can let me know in the comments. Anyways, I'm taking it. You don't come across these kind of errors that often, guys, so you gotta take advantage. This custom 18 Ford Mustang GT is really awesome. Looks very cool in that red color. Very, very, very nice. Here's a Nissan Leaf. Nice. 67 Camaro with the worldwide decals in gold. Here's a 96 Chevrolet Impala SS with the fire and rescue decals. Here's another Bronco. Nice. Nice. Another Subi. Pick that one up. Oh my gosh. Oh. No dice, guys. Still a very cool casting, man. I'm taking it. I love that truck. This is a nice one. I already have it though. It's got a damaged card, so it's staying here. More Chevelles. This one here, the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. I don't know. I'll think about it. So far, it's not looking good. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of old castings in here. Yeah, somebody was already here for sure. guys, it's not looking good, man. Outcome is definitely not looking good. But, you know, it's worth a try. You never know. I've gotten lucky before. Alright guys, just to recap, I'm taking a couple of these. I'm taking this Bugatti, taking the Dodge van, taking a couple of Subis, taking this guy right here. Looks like a tampo error. Again, guys, I mean, pretty sure it's supposed to have those side tampos, but you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm taking it either way. And there's a Subi, 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and the 21 Ford Bronco. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.